YouTube channel. It's your girl and Kama Kawaida. As usual, we give all the glory to God for blessing us with another beautiful, amazing day. Guys, it's been quite a while. Mekuaje, how have you been? And if you're coming here for the first time, karibu sana to Almaks Kenya. We are all about educative and entertaining channel. Guys, before I go on, before I nifanye anything, I'll tell you what we are going to be doing today. I used to do shoutouts, but kidogo kidogo sijakuwa nikiifanya. But today I want to shout out to 3 people. Yeah, 3 people I'll be shouting out to you guys. So make sure you watch the video till the end, because I'll begin with the first one, then the second one katikati ya video, and the last one at the end. So make sure you might be the one. Okay, so today's shout out goes to Lydia Hisa, if I've said it correct. Thank you so much for joining Almaks Kenya. We are so happy and so glad to get new family in our channel. And guys, by the way, we've hit 400 subscribers. Actually, we are around 430 subscribers, and I just don't take it for granted. I want to thank you so much for those who have joined Almaks Kenya. Karibuni sana, hamtaboeka. By the way, the contents here are lit. Yeah, na kama hauja join, if you're watching this video for the first time, ama umekuwa ukiwatch na bado huja smash that button, make sure to smash it. Smash, hit that subscribe button just hapo tulia red. Make sure you hit it. It surely inani motivate sana. It makes me, you know, ile unakwanga unakuja unaangalia channel yako and you're like +1, +2, +3 manze, yani feel poa sana na kufika 400. I don't take it for granted. That means, guys, you're liking my videos, mnazipenda, and I promise more and good contents coming, sawa? And kama umesubscribe, manze, thank you so much. Asante for your support, and continue watching my video. Kama umesahau ku hit that notification bell, make sure you hit it so that anytime I upload a new video, you get it as the first one. Sawa? So guys, mkiona tu hii attire, just know there's something cooking, okay? So today we're going to be, I'll be showing you how to cook rice. The easiest, the simplest method, the easiest way, by the way. Kama kuna visitors, kama hujaijua mchele yako kwa nini na, you know, it cramps up or something, if that's the word, and you want to know how to make your maybe biryani, anything to do with rice perfectly. Rice yako itoke 1 by 1, like, you know, perfect rice. I'll show you that method. It is very simple. And so guys, hope you stay tuned and let's do this. So guys, with me here is our rice, and Makio, I'm using basmati rice. It's one of the best, and that's what I've been using for quite some time. So this is what I've been nitatumia hii kupima. I'll measure 2 cups. So those are 2 cups. We are going to be washing our rice. We'll be washing our rice. If you want to cook your rice, make sure you wash it some few minutes earlier before you cook it. Then use a strainer so that you won't waste any rice. So we will wash it again. I want to wash it again. Wash it twice, I think it's fine. Then you strain it off. You can use something else different to put your strainer. Then put your rice there on a strainer, sorry, so that the water can drain well. Leave your rice for some time. Let all the water drain completely. Give it like 10 to 15 minutes. The rice will be dry. Then from there we go to the next step. So guys, here is our rice. As you can see, it's super dry. You see, I left it in the strainer so that all the water can dry up. Nona, it's so dry. Mtu anaweza sema ni kaa tujaosha, but we've cleaned it. So we're going to put it in a bowl so that it can be easy nikitransfer kwa sufuria, okay? So guys, let's light our fire. Tuanze. You put your sufuria, let it dry off. Give it some time to dry off the water, because you don't want any oil spilling out, splashing on you. Yeah, so this is our sufuria. We are going to be using some oil, some liquid oil and salt. So we add some little oil, depending with the amount of your rice. Like mine, because it was around 2 cups, so I'll add 2 tablespoons of oil, cooking oil, or whichever you use to cook. And then I'll put some salt. I don't like putting too much salt, but just a little salt to taste, not too much, because my baby also eats. And if you're also having someone who doesn't like too much salt, just to taste. Don't boil just plain rice, okay? So you let the oil burn a little or cook a little, if that's the word. You can stir so that the oil and salt can mix together well. And then we are going to be adding our rice, okay? Then we stir a bit so that we can add the other amount remaining. This sufuria is so hot, so I have to use this. Then I add the remaining amount. Then you stir. sure the oil mixes well with the rice completely. Keep stirring. Don't just put the rice and then you go. The rice will burn because it's dry. There's no water in here. Then you can reduce your heat a little bit. Keep stirring. Make sure your water is ready. And for our case, because we used 2 cups of rice, you're going to put 3 cups of cold water, not 4, because we had already the rice is already halfly cooked or something, because we had washed it before, and we're using this method, so we are cooking it a little bit before we add water. Okay, so we won't add 4 cups, but we're going to add 3 cups, right? 4 cups, 3 cups. So guys, we've added 3 cups of cold water. You stir and let your rice cook. Okay, don't put too much heat, just medium, so that your rice can cook well. So let it cook, and then we're going to see the outcome. Sawa. You can do this with the recipe of pilau, biryani, anything to do with rice if you want your rice to come out good. So let's give it some minutes, it cook, and then you're going to see the results. So guys, as you can see, our rice is cooking well. So we're going to put a lid on it and reduce the heat so that it can be able to steam at the same time and cook well. Okay, and before I forget, a shout out to Eunice Wamboi. Thank you so much for joining Almaks Kenya. Karibu sana. We are full of great entertaining and educative content. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to get it. Here's our rice, guys. Moja. As you can see, different mama po. Imetoka poa, like it is so awesome. It has not disappointed. It's actually dropping. Haijashikana. Here's our rice, guys. It's so ready. As you can see, imetoka poa. Yeah, it is. No, venye drop. That's how it's dropping so well. So I'm about to enjoy it with some kamande over here. So imagine that. Some beautiful stew here. Yummy stew. Make sure you enjoy some yummy rice. Follow the recipe. Don't forget to subscribe. So guys, that has been it. Hope you've been able to gather something from that recipe of making rice the best way possible. This rice not disappoint you. You have that occasion, or you want to cook some good food at home, that's the recipe, you go for it. Okay, so hope you've learned something. Make sure to share this video maybe with your family, your friends, so that they can also be able to learn a new recipe. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. If you enjoy my videos, if you like each and every video that I do, if you like this video too, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. That surely motivates me, supports my channel too. Okay, and if you get any ad along my videos, kindly don't skip it, but watch it till the end. It also supports my channel. Let us be able to grow so that I can also be able to give you more good content. content and quality content. So guys, before I wrap it up, I want to shout out to Immaculate Chabet. Hey, wherever you are, thank you so much, and karibu sana to Almaks Kenya. Thank you for joining this beautiful, wonderful channel. I'm sure you're going to learn quite a lot of things in this channel, and also you're going to enjoy every content. Remember, Almaks Kenya, we're all about educative and entertaining content. So tell a friend to tell a friend about this channel, okay? So guys, it has been your girl. Until next time, we wrap it there. Bye bye.